Hey, real quick, I want to show you how to sell your online course even before you create it, so you don't have to waste months on building something that nobody wants, like most of us do when getting started. My name is Maria and I help people like you to build and grow digital courses using my 3Ps method, even if you have no technical skills or any idea where to start. Now, I'd love to share with you my story, how I went from very humble beginnings to over 8,000 students in over 145 countries across the globe. Things are better these days, but when I was getting started, I felt completely lost because I had no idea where to host my course, how to generate traffic to it, or how to sell it. And it was really frustrating because I didn't want to just use some random marketplace. I wanted to have full control over my course. I wanted to have self-hosted, well-designed, a high-ticket digital course that could bring results to my clients. And I was fortunate enough to figure it out, and I'd love to share with you this process so you don't have to do it the hard way. Now, I'm not promising you it's going to be easy. Like building any real business, it takes effort and action on your part. But it's going to be a shortcut to launching and selling your course like crazy. In fact, I want to build it with you. I want to build you a beautiful members area, a funnel that will help to sell your course, and email automations and more, so you can focus on the actual building lessons and content for your course and don't have to worry about all that technical stuff. And after we build this for you, it will free up more of your time because your business will be fully automated, so you can, have more time for your friends and family, traveling, or to do whatever you want in life. And this solution works perfectly whether you are in United States, Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, or anywhere else. And now I put together a free training that I'd love to give you access to. You just need to click the link below or somewhere around this video. It will take you to my website where you can register. And after you watch the training, you can schedule a free strategy session with me to find out if we are a good fit to work together. And if we are, we will build an amazing digital course for you. And even if we are not, you will still walk out with great newfound knowledge and powerful tips that will help you with your course. There will be no hard feelings, okay? So make sure that you click that button to register right away, because we have only a few spots left, so we will be taking this opportunity down. So I don't want you to miss out, okay? Click that button and I will see you on the training.